Which one should I drink first? Cascade Crash or Riptide Rush? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I pick you, so let's go. Okay. Oh, crap. I thought I got that open. Okay. Cheers. Ooh, I feel all tingly inside. I wish I can find someone to know about the information about this Gatorade. Well, DLR, your wish came true. Whoa, who are you?
Well, all of a sudden, I'm very shy, and, my name is Pinky, and, well, I've got to tell you something that's very secretive.
What is it?
I'm a witch, and I make potions.
You're a witch? And you make potions? Can't you even fly a broomstick?
Oh, the thing is, my family were about to train me, but... Oh, I forgot.
What? What about your family?
Here, let me tell you a story. It all started when I was just a little baby when I was born. My mom and my dad, my brothers and my sisters, and of course my cousins, my uncle, my aunt, my grandma and my grandpa were just seeing me. But until they left me in the hospital to give me some time because I wasn't ready to get out of the hospital because I wanted some good lullabies from the hospital person. Very sweet. But before they actually got here, there was a big bomb. And it exploded, and every one of my family died. Until the hospital told me, what am I going to do with me? So they decided to take care of me. Until they told me when I was like a little girl, like I don't know how old, I think I was like 5 or something. But they told me that my family died and I was crying. So I had to live in the hospital until the nurse said, you need to travel to find someone to live and help you with. So I did. I packed my stuff and I traveled all the way to this world. So that's why I came here to see you. That I'm glad that I can help you. And about the information about that Gatorade that you just drank. And so, yeah, I'm homeless.
That's terrible. I promise I wouldn't cry.
Oh, it's okay.
I know.
But that's just not a normal Gatorade bottle over here. This is a magic Gatorade bottle.
Did you invent this?
Of course. I used the same flavors as this, and of course the awesome powers of mine.
You are amazing.
I know. But do you have friends so that I could tell them about my secret?
Of course. I will always have my friends. Here, let me call them. Hey, guys! Come here! I want to show you something. Okay, guys. I'm going to gently squeeze this. Guys! Hold on, DLR. We're playing a game. Get your butts over here. DLR, hold on. We're doing something. Now! Okay, fine. All right, DLR. What is it you have? Whoa. Who's she? I am so going for her tonight. She's just a little girl. Oh, whoopsie. Well, don't blame me. I asked the little girl out. You mean Bethany Reed? Shut up. It's okay. You could date a little girl in DLR's world. Sweet. Oh, thank crap, I'm safe. And what rule is that in? I do believe that's in Rule 77.
Well, what's rule number 1?
Oh, rule number 1. DLR is always right. That's a nice rule. Were you just about to laugh at it? No. Yes. Don't you dare. Sorry.
Well, what's rule number 2?
Well, I would love to say rule number 2. If you ever get it wrong, just say the repeat rule of rule number 1. DLR is always right. Yes, you got it.
So your name is DLR?
Uh-huh.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Beth. I'm Lala. I'm Po. I'm Tom. I'm Nimu. I'm Dipsy. Glad to meet you. My name is Tinky Winky.
Am I seeing that he is like purple and the other one is green?
That is their favorite colors.
Oh, I see. That's very... I love your guys' names. There are... What's the word I'm looking for?
Marvelous?
Yeah, marvelous. So, and you know, Beth, we're pretty alike.
Yeah, because I'm wearing pink. See? And you're wearing pink. But you don't have yellow hair.
No, I don't. But I have blue eyes.
Yes, I do have blue eyes. Well, you two look pretty alike. Uh-huh. But we're not the same because of our hair. Yeah, that's true. But it's very good like.
And my blue eyes matches you, Nunu.
Of course it does, Pinky. Yeah, nice to meet you, Pinky. Yeah, Pinky. Guys, Pinky wants something to tell you. Go ahead.
I'm too shy.
Oh, I understand. Guys, I have to tell you because Pinky is too shy.
Aww.
I know, but Pinky is a witch. She is? Oh my crap, that's amazing. Well, prove it. She has to fly a broom. Can you show them?
Sure. Broom.
Your broom is a fork?
It's pretty old. I hope I will get a new one soon.
How long since you've been having this broom?
2 years.
Dude, that's amazing.
Okay. Whoa! Oh no!
Are you okay, Pinky?
Yeah. Still having trouble flying a broom, but like what I said, I am a witch, you know.
Well, what will you do? Turn me into a toad? Lovely. A toad with green eyes.
I might just do that.
Come on, Pinky. I'll even dare you.
Very well, Dipsy.
You shouldn't have said that to her. She doesn't scare me, and besides, she can't even fly a proper broom.
Excuse me, Dipsy. Pedigree, apogee, pedigree, pelogee.
Oh, Dipsy! That's better than a toad. That's a rabbit. I never absolutely managed to do toads. Yes? Oh, the animal speaker? Sure. Why am I a bunny rabbit? Well, she's having trouble with her magic. Well, can you at least change me back? Sure thing. I'll say it backwards. Pelogy, pedigree, apogee, filigree. Ugh, that felt better, because if I were that rabbit, then I would eat a carrot.
Sorry, just having trouble with my magic.
Oh, no worries, Pinky. You're just fine. This is going to be absolutely pretty interesting.
It is. So, I have to talk to DLR in privately for a second, so can you excuse me?
Sure.
Come along, DLR.
Right behind you, Pinky. I wonder what it is. Well, let's just keep on playing the game. Yeah. So, what's this about?
Well, you see, the thing is, I really want to help with my magic, so can you go over here and absolutely, get everything ready?
Of course.
Okay. I have to go to the bathroom, so I'll be right back.
Okay, take your time for your little tinkle. Ugh, I had to say it because it was right in my mind and it was bothering me. Alright, so a lot of potions. Okay, those are random forks over here. What is wrong with me? Okay. I'm alright.
DLR?
Yeah?
Hey, something funny?
Yeah, that's it.
Well, all of a sudden, I'm absolutely getting ready for the potions, and I was wondering if you can help me with it.
Yeah, definitely. I would love to.
Okay. Oh, no.
What?
Why are you laughing?
Well, why did you say, oh no? Why did you say that?
You're having a... Uh-oh. Now you've done it. No, you're floating.
I'm floating. I'm floating all the way up here. To here.
Don't worry. I'll get some help.